Hi, good morning guys. Nick here with Kaizink, and I'm going to show you how we get all of the ink off of our floods and squeegees prior to taking them over to the Aussie wash. So here we have our floods and squeegee and screen dropped. So all you're going to do is you want to take one of your floods out. You're just going to grab yourself a hard card. And you want to work, I typically start at the wing, and I'll work down. I'm just working that right into the bucket. Now I'm working into the bucket because we will keep this ink. If it was something that we were disposing of, I would put it right into the trash. So you want to make sure you get that side of the wing as well.
And what determines whether it's an ink you would keep or throw away?
Well, we happen to know that this blue right here is a Ferguson ink, and we run Ferguson a lot, so we're going to go ahead and keep that. And if it's white or black, we're going to keep those. Any other color we would discard of. We are getting a little low on this blue here, so we're going to mix up some more today. However, any other color other than black or white we would discard of. This is a current job, so we're keeping this. All right, same thing with our flood here. Our squeegee, I'm sorry. What we're going to do is we're going to start at the top here. I just have a little bend in my card, so I'm just going to run that along the edge, applying some pressure, running that right down into the bucket. All right, now I'm going to use the edge of my card to get that edge there. And you want to get your sides and then scrape the very bottom there. And if there's any on the other side, you want to go ahead and snag that up as well. All right, and that's it. And then we're going to transfer those over to our Aussie wash, get those guys clean.